Hey guys, Scott here from the DTFF Volunteer Firefighter podcast. We just came back from the ATACC conference, as you guys have seen through our videos and our podcast the other night. One thing we talked about a lot was different wounds and how we could train those kind of wound simulators. So what we did here, we made a wound simulator for wound packing. So it's a pretty specific one. And all it is a real simple yoga block and a small pump. In this case, it's a lead sprayer that's not being used for any kind of spray material. And what it allows for us to do is to get that blood flow and be able to do some wound packing. And it's kind of cost effective because some of the things out there that are commercially built are quite expensive and can be cost prohibitive for a smaller department. So let's see how it works. So you pump it up a little bit, get some pressure going. And all I'm going to do is just apply this. You can see the blood is coming out. And then what the instructor can keep doing is he can keep that pressure on, and I can do my wound packing. And it allows for that feedback of both the blood and the feels like a little bit more like flesh. So there you have it.